Meanwhile, despite the dengue outbreak claiming lives of several citizens of Delhi, little seems to have been done to change to control the menace. A NewsX reality check has once again exposed the death of several young kids. How it might just go in vain. Yes, from open drains to large filth, the areas of Delhi are continuing to suffer from shocking apathy of the ruling class.
The clear negligence on part of the corporations to deal with the dengue outbreak in the city is clearly visible on the streets, while hospitals are really struggling to deal with the inflow of patients on ground. We can see the harsh reality. Look at this street. I'm standing in Sangam Vihar right now. This is the area where, in fact, a 3-year-old girl yesterday passed away because of dengue. Look at the situation of the streets in this locality. There is stagnant water lying over here since days now. There's absolutely nobody who's come here to clean this entire space. This entire street really is filled with dirt. It's become a garbage dumping ground. And if you really look at this entire locality, I'm going to ask my video journalist to pan on this road and show you how dirty this entire street is. And look at this lane over here where actually garbage is dumped on a daily basis, and there's absolutely nobody over here to really clean this mess. Of course, there is infection that is spreading. There are more mosquitoes that are breeding in this area, especially in that stagnant water which is lying at short areas. You know, every pothole that you see, there is stagnant water, and there is nobody over here to clear that entire dirt out, which is in fact spreading not only dengue but also malaria. I'm going to in fact now go across to some of the locals over here that you can see. I'm going to try and speak to them and ask them as to exactly how difficult it really gets for them. Is there any sort of help from the corporation that they get? आप यहाँ पे रहते हो, आपने कभी देखा कि कॉर्पोरेशन वाले यहाँ आए या सफाई करी हो या?
No one can come here. They have so many types of garbages in that gully. So I hope so कि कोई यहाँ पर आए और साफ करे. आप सभी देख रहे हैं किस टाइप के डेंगू की बीमारी हो रही है, बट यहाँ पर कोई साफ सफाई करने वाला आता ही नहीं है. बिकॉज ऐसे ही सबको वोट देते रहे और एमएलएस बनाते रहे, तो आई होप सो कि यहाँ कोई भी अच्छे से नहीं रह पाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे काफी सारी बीमारियां हो रही हैं. आई होप अगर वो ये न्यूज देखेंगे तो कुछ करेंगे.